Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue on your Windows computer with the error message. For your security, some settings are managed by your system administrator. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to check the BitLocker drive encryptions at Group Policy Editor. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type this gpedit.msc, and then click open. And once open up this local group policy editor, and the next step, so under at computer configurations, and then you need to select this administrative templates. So select and double click, and then you need to select this Windows components folder. So select and double click again. In here at Windows components, and then you need to find and locate this BitLocker drive encryptions. Alright, so all you have to do is to click one time. And on right panel sections, you will see the main settings for BitLocker drive encryptions. And you will see the fixed data drives, operating system drives, and removable data drives folder, which contain many other settings. Now, check if the status of those settings is set to enable or disabled. If yes, double click on the settings and select not configured. So all you have to do is to select this fixed data drive. So select one time. And then here at right panel settings, and double check if it's enabled or disabled. And then you need to configure. So for example, this is enabled. So all you have to do is to select and double click. And then pop up this configure settings. And then you need to select this not configured and then click OK. Alright, and the other settings, so select this operating system drive, so click one time. And then an on right panel, and then check the settings if enabled or disabled, and then you need to select not configured. And the other one is the removable data drive, so click one time. And then an on right panel, and then double check if enabled or disabled, and then you need to select not configured. Alright, so once you're done here at local group policy editor, and then we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to check the internet settings at registry editor. So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type this registry editor, and then you need to right click and select run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And once open up this registry editor, and the next step, then you need to select this HK local machine. So select and double click, and then select software folder, select and double click again. And the next step, then you need to select and scroll down and find this policies. So select and double click. And then you need to select this Microsoft. So same procedure, select and double click. And then next step, then you need to select this Windows folder. So select and double click. And here at Windows folder, and then you need to select this current versions. So select and double click again. And here at current versions, and then you need to select this internet settings. So all you have to do is to click one time. And then on a right panel, and then locate for security underscore HKLM underscore only. Alright, so once you see here that settings security underscore HKLM underscore only, and then you need to right click, and then you need to delete that folder. Alright, so once you're done here at a registry editor, and then we need to close, and here at the start menu, and then we need to restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix for your security. Some settings are managed by your system administrator. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.